This is the Kia. The Kia lives in New Zealand, and it is one of a really intelligent parrot species. It was named Kia because its call sounds like Kia. Kia, Kia, Kia. Oh well, they didn't understand me. I'm not Kia.
It did sound, baby, it's talking back to you.
Yeah, yeah. See, it's intelligent.
Yeah, they have to give it enrichment, don't they?
Yeah.
Look at the beautiful orange underneath its green wings.
I'm gonna have some in my zoo. Do you
Wow.
want them in my zoo when I grow up?
Yeah. Would you like it if your armpits were that bright orange?
No, but I would like it if I had a pet Kia. The cute parrot of New Zealand.
Cool.